If Valorant refuses to launch and shows Van9001 or Van9003, the problem is usually secureBoot or TPM 2.0 not being active on your PC. Even if they look enabled, Vanguard sometimes still detects them as off. Let's fix it. First, the factory key reset. Most important fix. Restart your PC and enter your BIOS. Usually, you press delete or F2 while the PC is starting. Once you are inside BIOS, go to the secureBoot settings. Look for an option like restore factory keys, install default secureBoot keys, or reset to setup mode. Select it, then save and exit. This reloads the security keys that Windows and Vanguard need to verify your system. For many players, this instantly fixes the enabled but not active problem. If the error still appears, check this. Disable CSM. Go back into BIOS, find CSM in the boot setting. Set CSM to disabled, then make sure your boot mode is set to UEFI, not legacy. Secure boot will not work if CSM is turned on. Next thing to check. Enable TPM 2.0. In BIOS, go to Security or Trusted Computing, turn on Security Device Support. Depending on your CPU, TPM may have a different name. Intel PCs PTT, AMD PCs FTPM. Make sure it's enabled. Now, before opening Valorant, do a quick check in Windows. Press Win plus R, type MSInfo32 and press Enter. Look for secure boot state. It must say on, then press Win plus R again. Type tpm.msc. The status should say TPM is ready for use. If both are active, Valorant should launch normally. One last thing, if your PC is very old and doesn't support TPM 2.0 or secure boot, Vanguard may block you on Windows 11. In that case, the community workaround is installing Windows 10, where these requirements are not strictly enforced. If this helped fix your Van9001 or Van9003 error, comment below. Bye bye.